let's take a look at graphing x squared minus 6x plus 5. We always start by labeling with our standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. That lets me know that a is going to equal to 1, b is going to equal negative 6, and c will equal 5. Say we plug in, we have negative over 2 times something. We leave spaces. We see that b on top is going to be negative 6, and a on bottom is going to be 1. So a negative is 6. 2 times 1 is 2, so we get 3. Then we're going to take that 3 and let x equal it. Let's make that right. Sorry for being sloppy. So then we have x equals 3. Plug that in, we get, leave a space, minus 6, leave a space, plus 5. We're going to plug in 3. We know 3 squared is 9. 6 times 3 is 18, make it negative, plus 5. 9 and 5 give me 14, minus 18 gives me a negative 4. So my vertex is at 3 and negative 4. Now we're going to factor to find our roots. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 5 equal it to 0. Okay, so we're going to factor this. And once we set it equal to 0, we look for the factors. There's no GCF since our lead is a 1, since our lead coefficient is 1. So we look at the factors of 5. 5, the list is 1 and 5. They both need to be the same sign, which happens to be negative. So negative, negative. So I have x minus 1 times x minus 5 equal it to 0. Okay, so set them each factor equal to 0 for the zero product property. So I have x minus 1 equals 0 and x minus 5 equals 0. Solve this one for x and we get x equals 1. Solve this one for x and we get x equals 5. So I have 1, 5, 3, and negative 4. Let's go graph them. So we're going to plot 3, negative 4 first. We're going to go right 3, down 4. And we said we are at 1 and 5. So let's graph that now. We go up and we go up on this side. We go up and through the point. And here we go over, up, and through the point as best we can without going past the next number. So there's our graph.